Good morning, students of class 12th. Welcome to your online classes of video lecture. Today in class 12th, students, I will be telling you about invitations. You have seen your invitations. It is often coming to your homes in the form of invitation cards. You must have seen the birthday cards. You must have seen the marriage cards. Various types of cards you must have seen. Or shop inauguration cards you must have seen. All those known as what? Invitation cards. That means I am talking about invitations today. Now, invitations are of certain types. Formal invitation, informal invitation, and their replies. Now, what are invitations generally? Now, invitation form an important part of human intercourse. Invitation form an important part of human intercourse or social dealings between individuals or human groups. Those things which you are sending to invite someone in the form of cards, that is known as printed invitation cards, or in the form of letter writing also you are sending the invitation. As I told you, invitations are of following types: formal, informal, and their replies. Now, formal invitation, first of all, I will talk about. Formal invitations are generally printed. Formal invitations are generally printed invitation cards through which we invite our guests on some auspicious occasion like wedding, as I told you, birthday, inauguration of shops and houses, etc. For that, we are printing what? We are printing formal invitation cards. For example, what I have told you, for example, like wedding, birthday, inauguration of shops and houses, mostly formal printed invitations are given. Formal invitations don't include the name of the address. Formal invitation don't include what? The name of the addresses. It does not include the name of the addresses. In such case, where a VIP is invited to preside over a function, the name of that VIP appears prominently in such formal invitation. As per the guidelines laid down by the CBSE, the length of formal invitation should not exceed 50 words. As I told you, it comes under short composition. It should not exceed more than 50 words. It should not exceed more than 50 words. It comes under short composition. It must not exceed more than 50 words. Now, generally, short composition is of 3 or 4 marks only. Generally, short composition is of 3 or 4 marks only. Okay. If we talk about invitations, format always carries 1 mark, as I told you, whether it is long composition or short short composition, format is always of 1 mark. Content is of 1 mark. It is a short composition, and expression is again of 1 mark. If it carries 2 marks, then content becomes 2. Then content becomes what? How many marks? Content becomes of 2 marks. Okay. So it may be generally of 3 or 4 marks only, and it should not exceed more than 50 words. Now, as I told you, first I will talk about formal invitation printing. In the A part, I will be telling you the formal invitations which are printed. Okay. Now, printed ones are what I have already given you the examples of that. Okay. For example, like your wedding cards, your birthday cards, your inauguration of shops and house inauguration cards. Okay. For that you are making the printed cards. And the rest of the cards which are not printed, those types of invitation should be written in the form of letters only. Always remember. Okay. That means those which are non-printed cards should be written in the form of letters only. Today, I will be explaining you the A part, formal invitation, printed one. Formal invitation, printed one, I will be explaining you that. As I have already told you, invitation form an important part of human intercourse or social dealings between individuals or human groups. It comes under short composition, format carries 1 mark, contents carries 1 mark, and expression carries 1 mark. If the question is of 3 marks, as I told you, the question may be of 3 marks or 4 marks, not more than that. Okay? If it is of 4 marks, then content becomes of 2 marks. Now, I am talking about what formal invitation printed. Now, I am talking about formal invitation which are printed. This is what? Formal invitation printed. One question. Formal invitation printed. This is formal invitation printed. Now, what the question says? You are Faz oblique Falak Masunda. That means you have to assume in that character. That means you are Faz oblique Falak Mazunda, living at 39 Udhampur Colony, Shimla. Where you are living? 39 Udhampur Colony, Shimla. You decide to hold a dinner party to congratulate your grandparents on their golden wedding anniversary. That means you are arranging what? You are arranging a dinner party for your grandparents to congratulate them, okay, on their golden wedding anniversary. Now you have to draft what? You have to draft a formal invitation. Now formal invitation, as I told you, what is always printed. Always remember. You have to draft what? A formal invitation in not more than 50 words. It comes under short composition. Invitation cards comes under short composition. It should not be more than 50 words. To all the family members who attend a grand dinner at home, you are inviting all the family members to attend the grand dinner at home. Okay. So this is the question for formal invitation which are printed. As I told you, formal invitation printed. Okay. Formal invitations are mostly printed invitation cards. I have given you the examples of that also. For suppose like what? Suppose like wedding card, birthday card, inauguration of shops card, and inauguration of house card. Okay. Now this you are calling for what? Golden wedding anniversary of your grandparents. Now you have to draft a formal invitation, which is a printed one. Okay. Not more than 50 words. Okay. Now say formal invitation. To draft a formal invitation, what is important? That means, first of all, you should be drawing a big rectangular or a square box. Always remember, you should be drawing what? A big rectangular or a square box. Now, invitations are just like poster designing. You should be knowing, according to your common sense, where to use block capital letters, where to use small letters, just like poster designing. You have done poster designing now. So, printed invitations also, you should know that where to use darken your letters, where to use block capital letters, where to use small letters. Okay, just like poster designing, you have done poster designing also. So invitation cards are also printed in that way. Now see, who is taking out the card? Who is taking out the card? That person's name should come first. Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Falak Mazumdar. Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Falak Mazumdar is taking out the card. Okay. Now you must have seen in your houses mostly the card is coming to your houses, the birthday cards, various type of invitations are coming, invitations of inaugurations of shop card. Okay. Wedding cards you are receiving at home. Now how it is written? That means at the top the person who is taking out the card, that person's name should come at the top. Mr. and Mrs. Falak Mazumdar. Darken it a little bit. Okay. Make it darker. Okay. Now see, request the pleasure of your being present. How the language is written in the card, that is also important. Request the pleasure of your being present on the auspicious occasion. Now this is very important. This you will be highlighting. Okay. It is given in the question. Golden wedding anniversary of their grandparents. Okay. What is the name of the grandparents now? What are the names of the grandparents? Srimati Kamla Mazumdar and Sri Jai Mazumdar. Okay. That means the name of the grandparents is what? Srimati Kamla Mazumdar and Sri Jai Mazumdar. Now this you will be highlighting. This is very important. Okay. Golden wedding anniversary of their grandparents also you will be highlighting in block capital letters. And what is the name of the grandparents? Srimati Kamla Mazumdar and Sri Jai Mazumdar. And where the dinner party will be organized? At their residence, 39 Udhampur Colony, Shimla. Okay. Where the dinner will be organized? At their residence, 39 Udhampur Colony, Shimla. So you will be giving the forward date 20th of March 2021. 20th of March 2021. And what else will be there? In the program, musical program will be there from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Musical program from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Dinner will be starting from 8 p.m. Now, mostly the cards are coming to your houses, various types of invitation cards you are receiving at your homes. Now, how the language is written That means in that language only we should be prescribing in the card. That language should be prescribed in the card. Okay. Now see RSVP. That means respective important persons. Who are the respective important persons? Who is taking out the card at the top? Mr. and Mrs. Falak Mazumdar. RSVP, Mr. and Mrs. Falak Mazumdar. It is just like poster designing. Only you have to use your common sense where to use block capital letters, where to use small letters, where you have to highlight the important sentences and lines. You should be highlighting that also. And you must see the language of writing in the invitation cards also. That is most important. Today what I have told you? Today I have told you about formal invitations which are printed one. It should always be taken out in printed form only. Always remember, formal invitations are mostly written in printed forms only, and which are non-printed invitation cards should be written in the form of letters only. Always remember, non-printed invitation cards should be written in the form of letters only. In the next class, I will be telling you about formal invitations which are not printed. In the next class, I will be telling you about what? Formal invitations which are not printed. How those invitations are written in the form of letters. Thank you so much. God bless you.